Maine is an incredible place to farm, and I've farmed off and on my entire life. Not to the capacity which would be considered like agribusiness, but I've had small farms. I currently have a few horses and ponies and chickens. I have vegetable gardens and perennial gardens, and it's amazing to be able to grow your own food. The name of my farm is Peony Moon Farm. I bought my farm for land value because it was a tear down. My brother actually said to me, "I don't know what you were doing while buying that house, but I could see the potential in this house." My experience with what I've done with my homes helps me portray to my buyers what they can do with their home. It's a very tight inventory here in Maine, and so people have this vision of what they want when they come here. I want this house and I want it to be just like this. Well, that's not always an option. To be able to take something that has the potential to be that and turn it into what they want gives my buyers a much broader spectrum for purchasing a home. I also have a very strong background in the private foundation and nonprofit sector, and so I can help people develop their programs. If they were to buy a horse farm and they wanted to start a rescue, or if they wanted to have an education program where they taught children how to grow vegetables, I've actually worked with multiple clients on how to do that as well. Maine lifestyle is the best. It really is. It's very healthy. There is an amazing amount of things to do here. I typically work 7 days a week, but on Sunday mornings you will find me playing tennis. And on Wednesday evenings I will be out on Casco Bay racing. I race on a J35 Beagle. The great thing about Maine and the Maine lifestyle is you can have this crazy corporate job, but we just step out our door and we can find balance. And that's very, very important to me. My name is Marika Alexis Clark. I'm a realtor with Legacy Properties Sotheby's International Realty.